Allgone LLC is proud to introduce our new production facility. Up until 2020, we used a third party to manufacture CleanShield products. That year, we made the decision to produce it ourselves and built our own factory in Torrance, California. Let's take a tour. Here's our mixing tank, where CleanShield is produced and stored until it's ready to be bottled. We have the capability of producing up to 20 bottles per minute, which translate to 2 containers per month and potentially more if needed. Here we fill, cap, and sleeve our bottles. Once the label sleeves are on, they go through our state-of-the-art steam tunnel, which shrinks the label onto the bottle. Here we have an industrial induction sealer, which seals the aluminum foil over the mouth of the bottle. From there, they are packaged in boxes, onto pallets, into containers, and then over to Africa. We're delighted to be able to manufacture CleanShield ourselves. It gives us a great deal of flexibility and control. And we're even happier to be able to supply health-improving and wealth-generating products. Thank you for joining us in celebrating a healthy life.